The said report stands presented. Item number 6. Aminul Haq Sahab.
शुक्रिया जनाब वाला. I present the report of the Standing Committee on the bill further to amend the Pakistan Postal Service Management Board Ordinance 2002, the Pakistan Postal Service Management Board Amendment Bill 2023, Ordinance number 4 of 2023.
The said report stands presented. Item number 7, Aminul Haq Sahab.
शुक्रिया जनाब वाला. I present the report of the Standing Committee on the bill further to amend the National Highway Authority Act 1991, the National Highway Authority Amendment Bill 2023, Ordinance number 5 of 2023.
The said report stands presented. Item number 8, Azam Tarar Sahab.
सर, एक तो जो बात हुई है ये पहले दिखाया गया, उस दिन भी रिक्वेस्ट की गई कि वो तशरीफ़ लाएं कमेटी में. कमेटी के बगैर भी लेजिस्लेशन होती है, ये इस मौका ऐवान का हमेशा से रहा है और कभी ये नहीं हुआ. सर, I wish to move under Rule 288 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in National Assembly 2007 that requirements of Sub-Rule 2 of Rule 123 of said rules be suspended in order to take into consideration item number 9 to 16.
The said report stands presented. It has been moved under the Rules 288, the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in the National Assembly 2007, that the requirement of sub-rules 2 of Rule 123 and the said rules to be suspended in order to take into consideration the item number 9 to 16. All those in favor of the motion may say aye. All those against may say no. I think the ayes have it. Consequently, the motion is adopted. Item number 9. Azam Tarar Sahab.
1973, the Pakistan Broadcasting